Hello guys and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a fun Amazon video. These are some of my favorite skincare items that I found on Amazon. Let me rephrase that. I didn't so much find them. I'm sure I found them from other YouTubers, but I actually tried them and I really like them. All right, so I've got a list. I'm just going to go right down my list. They might be kind of out of order. These are 9 products that I have that I use almost daily in my skincare routine. If you hear any banging around, there is someone up on our roof working on our solar panels. So hopefully he doesn't come crashing through the kitchen. That would be awful. The first thing I'm going to talk about is, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this because I have no idea. It's something Yule Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream. You guys have to look at this packaging. This is so extra. I'm also going to go through and tell you guys how much they were when I purchased them. If you know Amazon, you know the prices fluctuate quite often. So when I purchased this, it was $25.99. So look at this packaging. It's so pretty. So you take it out of the box, and it has this cute little tin, and you open it up, and then there's the eye cream. This is so extra, but I don't know, I thought it was kind of cool. Maybe like that's why it's $26, because you're paying for the packaging. It says Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream, luxurious firming, hyaluronic acid, ceramide-rich nourishment, moisture barrier, and peptides, increasing skin elasticity, fermented black tea. So what does that mean, you ask? I don't know. It just sounded really nice. Look at the packaging. It's so pretty. It's like a pretty little scene here. It's so cute. So it says the power of fermented black tea boosts the skin's youthful radiance, carefully strengthening and softening the skin around the eyes. So I'm 43 and my under eyes is the spot that I feel like ages me the most. It gets super dry and kind of crepey under there, I feel like. So I needed a really good eye cream to like wear under makeup, because I feel like as soon as I put concealer on, it is like I look 10 years older. But this stuff I really like. It has a really nice texture, no scent at all. But yeah, so I really liked using this. I use this day and night now, and it just makes my makeup, I feel like, go on so much better. All right, this next one we're going to talk about is kind of messy. This is my castor oil. It's organic. This is Kate Blanc Cosmetics, and the reason I bought this was I'm trying to grow out my eyebrows. If you guys have watched my other videos, I've done some eyebrow videos in the past. I don't have any eyebrows. Like, they just stopped growing. I think I waxed them too much in the 90s. So yeah, so this one I like. You want to definitely get a glass bottle because they say that it can like eat away at the plastic bottles. But I like this one. It comes with a dropper. It's kind of messy because it gets all over the dropper there. But this one was kind of cool because it came with a spoolie that I like to apply on my eyebrows, and it came with a little like brush where you can like put it almost on like eyeliners if you want to try to get your lashes to grow. With this at night is I just put some on my eyebrows, I put a little bit on my lashes, and then I put some under my eyes because I've heard that they say it can help with dark circles under your eyes. So this one is $9.99. Okay, I think that's on sale. I'm pretty sure I paid like $15 for it. So $9.99, and you're getting 2 ounces of product. And this one just says pure, 100% pure, cold pressed, hexane free by Kate Blanc Cosmetics. Stimulate growth for eyelashes, eyebrows, hair, skin, moisturizer, and hair treatment starter kit. So yeah, I'll put a picture on here, but you can see it comes with a little spoolie and a little brush. I didn't bring those out because they're really messy, because once the oil gets on it, it's like hard to get it off. But I really like this one, and I've had it for quite a while, and it is hardly even used at all. You guys are gonna laugh. A facial roller. Get your mind out of the gutter. Bought this one because I wanted to try to I don't know, I feel like I have a double chin sometimes, so I got this one for this purpose, and this one was really inexpensive. I will say I ordered one, and the first one came, and I'm pretty sure it was used, so I sent that one back, got a new one. This one looked brand new. This is a stainless steel gua sha and face roller set. Gua sha facial tool, face massager for face sculpting, metal gua sha face roller skin care. Okay, first of all, this is not stainless. This thing is like plastic, so don't let them fool you. But it did come with this, and this thing is like hardcore. So I actually like this one better than the other one. I tend to use this almost every morning. I'll put on my face oil and I'll just run it along like under my eyes like this to try to get like my, like if you're puffy at all, and then I'll go like this under the chin as well. Did I tell you how much this was? $8.99 for both pieces. I think that's such a good deal. So yeah, you'll get both of these pieces for $8.99. This one I use mostly daily, and then this one I'll use a couple times a week when I remember to. But yeah, I've been using it here, and then you can like run it down your neck. There's other like full body massages you can do with it, but I haven't really gotten into that. Yeah, I just mostly use it on my face. It says ideal for massaging the face, neck, shoulders, forehead, and other body parts. All right, we're just gonna move on before I say something stupid. All right, this next one we're gonna talk about, I actually don't have on hand because I used it all and I threw the bottle away. I should have saved it, but I will be repurchasing it again. I just haven't. But this is by the brand CosRx. Now you're gonna see quite a few products from them in this haul because I love this brand. This is the CosRx Retinol 0.5 oil, anti-aging serum with 0.5 retinoid treatment for face, reduce wrinkles, fine lines, signs of aging, gentle skincare for day and night, not tested on animals, Korean skincare. This brand is so good. Oh, and this retails for, well, it says 25, but it was, I think I got it for $17.49. It is such a good product. I would use this day and night. I don't know if you're supposed to use the retinol twice a day, but I did because it was just so gentle, and it's an oil. So if you have oily skin, you might not like it, but I have dry skin and I live out here in the desert, and so I just really liked how it felt. And when I would put it under my eyes, it just made my skin feel like really hydrated, and I just feel like my skin stayed moisturized all day long. And it's a plus that it has a retinol in it because, like I said, 43, I need that stuff. Okay, so this next one I'm going to talk about, this is another Korean beauty. Pretty much everything in this haul is K-beauty. I'm obsessed. And I will say, you guys, I have been selling / using Rodan & Fields products for 10 years. I'm liking the K-beauty better, and it's so much cheaper. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this one. Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, face moisturizer, facial toner for all skin types, vegan, cruelty-free. This stuff is so good. It's like, so I've been using a facial toner day and night, and I feel like my skin has just gotten so much softer. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so you can't go wrong with that. This is on sale. Oh, right now it's on sale for $11.99. It's normally $15, but I'm obsessed with this stuff. But it's a toner, but it's kind of like, it's almost more like a serum too. And it just goes on really, really nice. After I put that on, I'll usually just let it dry for a little bit before I put on my other stuff. Or I'll take my face with my fan and just let it dry with that. But this, oh man, I don't know. Like, they say it's good to use a toner anyway. So this one with hyaluronic acid is like even better, I feel like. And with my skin being dry and a little older, then I really, really like this one. This is Madagascar Centella Hyla. I'm not even gonna try to say what this says. Silky Fit Sun Stick SPF 50. This is just a little K-beauty like sun stick. I actually use this on my kids. I don't think it has a scent. I think I was smelling the toner. It's just a little sunscreen stick. You put it on your face. I use it like on all 3 of my kids. I'll use it on myself, but it just goes on really, really smooth. It just feels good. It doesn't make your skin white, and it's not greasy at all. It just goes on really, really nice, and it actually makes your skin feel really smooth. But yeah, so I just keep this on our coffee bar back here, and we use this every morning. And yeah, it's just, oh, and it's from Skin 1004. I've heard of that brand a lot, but this is the only thing I've ever tried from them. This link isn't working anymore. Let me see if I can find it. Oh my gosh, they don't have this one anymore. They have one similar. They have a clay stick mask. That's so weird. Yeah, this exact one isn't on here anymore. I'll look around some more and see if I can find it for you. But they do have a serum. No, that's not the same thing. I don't know. Oh, that's a bummer because this thing is really cool. I'll look around some more and see if I can find it for you guys and link it down below. If I can't find it on Amazon, I will at least put the name of it so you guys can like look for it somewhere else. But Yeah, dang it. This one's really cool. Next one is really kind of random, but this is something, it's not really skincare, but this is something I bought for my kiddos. This is called Unicorn, or Hello Unicorn. It's a natural deodorant. They needed some natural deodorant, and I just saw these. It came in a 2-pack actually, and I just thought they were super cute. It smells so good. It almost has like a, kind of like a sweet, like berry scent kind of, but not like too sweet. Let's see, these were $13.94, and like I said, you get a 2-pack. It just says aluminum free deodorant for women, girls, safe for kids, dermatology tested, natural fragrance, 2-pack. So yeah, I thought these were really cute. 2 more products from CosRx. These kind of go together. So I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's been everywhere. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. And this, like I said, from CosRx. And this is a brand new bottle because I just used up another one. But it's so good. So I put this on usually like kind of as one of my last steps, like before I put on my moisturizer. I'll usually put this on. I just do it at night. I use the other one during the day, but I'll do this one at night, and then I'll cover it with like either like my Aquaphor like moisturizer. So it's $17. It just says Snail Mucin 99 or 96% power repairing essence. Hydrating serum for face with snail secretion filtrate for dull skin and fine lines, Korean skincare. And no animals are harmed in the making of this, but it just has really helped repair my skin barrier. I feel like my skin has never been this soft. Like I literally feel like it's as soft as my 1-year-old's skin. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's helped with texture. I really haven't had many breakouts since I started using these K-Beauty products. I don't know. I'm convinced it's because of these, but this, if you even buy just one thing from this video, get this. It's so good. I even have my husband using it. So the next one, this kind of goes hand in hand. This is the Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This has 92% snail secretion filtrate, and it's very similar. It's just more of like their moisturizer, they call it. Daily face gel moisturizer for dry skin, acne prone, sensitive skin, not tested on animals, no parabens. And this is $16. And it's so good. Like you just, oh, like look at that. These products are so hydrating. This was seriously something that was missing in my skincare, and I'm so happy I found this brand. Like I said, I've got quite a few things from them, and it's such a good brand. I think you can even get them at Ulta too if you don't feel comfortable buying them on Amazon, but that's just where I've gotten them, and I love them. The last thing we're going to talk about, I've actually done a dedicated video on this, but this is my 7-in-1 LED beauty wand. So I'm sure you've heard of the red light therapy, like it's all over the place, but this is one of those little red light therapy wands, and it has microcurrent, red light therapy for face, 7-in-1 LED light therapy, eye equipment for skincare at home, red light therapy, blah, 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 blah. So basically it has 7 different functions or 7 different colors. The red is to promote blood circulation and relieve allergic skin. I usually use it all on the red because I've heard that that's what helps with the collagen making or whatever. Green is calm sensitive skin, body and mind. Blue, calm allergic skin, inhibit wound infection. Yellow is relieve skin I don't even know, and swelling. Purple, whitening and brightening the skin. Cyan, promote skin metabolism, strengthen skin tissue. And then white is tighten the skin, improve fine lines, and loose skin. So I feel like I need to be using it on the white, but I just mostly use it on the red. But so you turn it on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but what I do is I'll usually put on my Snail Mucin and see how my hand is still kind of moisturized, and then I just run it along my face. I'll usually do like sections of my face for like a minute each. And when you have that, you want to have an oil or something like this. I feel like the Snail Mucin works really, really well. It glides on really, really easy with that. But that is just going to help it glide across the skin. So usually I'll do my forehead for a minute, and then I'll do this side of my face for a minute, and then this side of my face. I do avoid my neck because someone had said once that it can mess with your thyroid. So I'm like, yeah, I don't want to mess with that. But it's really cool. It kind of vibrates and it has a microcurrent. You can actually feel it. Like when you go across your skin, you can kind of feel, I don't want to say it's like little shocks, but it kind of is, but it doesn't hurt. So yeah. This thing is awesome, and I got it for, I want to say I got it for around $50. $49.99. So, and it says the list price is $70, so I don't know if $50 was the deal, but yeah, that's how much I got it for too. But I really do like this. I try to use it at least once a week. I should probably use it more, but I forget sometimes. So, all right guys, that does it for my Amazon skincare haul. These are all of my favorites. I use these almost daily, so they are good. I'm not gonna steer you guys wrong. These are actually products I love and use all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will have everything linked down in the description box, so it's easy for you guys to find them. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.